Missing the peak hours reservation window in 2025 means you aren't getting into Yosemite. Here is the logistics guide to guarantee your trip happens. Before we hit the trails, we must handle the red tape. In 2025, expect to pay the $35 vehicle entry fee, but more importantly, you'll likely need a reservation if visiting between 5 a.m. and 4 p.m. during peak season. Once inside, parking is your next battle. The strategy is simple. Arrive at the Yosemite Village or Curry Village parking lots by 8 a.m. and do not move your car again until you leave. Instead of driving, use the free Valley shuttle system to hop between trailheads. It runs year-round and stops at all major lodging and trailheads, saving you hours of traffic frustration. Let's start with the easiest win, Lower Yosemite Fall. This is a 1-mile paved loop with negligible elevation gain. It puts you at the base of the tallest waterfall in North America. Expect heavy crowds here. For a quieter water feature, try the Mirror Lake Loop. In spring, it offers perfect reflections of Half Dome. By late summer, it becomes a dry meadow, so timing is critical. For the best effort-to-view ratio in the park, drive up Glacier Point Road to hike Sentinel Dome. It is a moderate 2.2-mile round trip that delivers 360-degree views comparable to Half Dome without the danger. Back in the valley, don't ignore the Valley Loop Trail. While others crowd the waterfalls, this flat trail offers solitude and massive views of El Capitan from below. You can hike as much or as little as you want. Accommodation defines your budget. Staying inside the park saves time, but costs a premium and requires booking 6 to 12 months out. The budget move is staying in Mariposa and driving the hour in. If you only have one day, stick to the valley floor trails. If you have 2 days, dedicate the second day to Glacier Point Road and the Mariposa Grove of giant sequoias. Finally, pack your own lunch. Valley food lines can take an hour during peak season. Here is your essential planning checklist to screenshot before you book. Screenshot this checklist and get your permits early.